Good morning, my dear students. Today discuss about the biochemical identification test. This is applicable for the identification of microorganisms. Last class we discussed about the IMVIC test for the identification of microorganism as the theoretical base. But today we are discuss based on the practical basis. How to identify the microorganism by the IMVIC test is discussed in elaborately. First of all, the indole. Indole is the group of chemical compound which contain the benzene ring along with the it is fused ring of the benzene 6 member ring along with the 5 members ring. Then indole is present in the amino acid tryptophan, and tryptophan is produced by the some organism and tryptophan not produced by the some organism. So you can identify the organism by the based on the tryptophan production. If tryptophan produced by this in this test will be positive in the those organism which is the organism that is test will be negative. To determine the ability of the organism to split indole from the tryptophan molecule, and indole is one of the metabolic degradation product of the amino acid and tryptophan. Bacteria that process a enzymatic tryptophan are capable of hydrolyzing and determine the tryptophan with the production of indole, pyruvic acid and the ammonia. All the amino acid contain some amino group and the acidic group. Here the tryptophan along with the acidic carboxylic group and the ammonia group, so that's why they are produced. After the degradation of tryptophan, it produces indole, pyruvic acid and the ammonia. Indole test, the media and the reagent required for this test. Media is the tryptophan 1% or the peptone broth. Peptone broth contains obviously the tryptophan or amino acid derivative. The reagent, two reagent here applied, either Erichlis or the Kovacs reagent. Erichlis contain the para-dimethyl amino benzaldehyde, ethyl alcohol and hydrochloric acid, and Kovacs reagent which is contain the para-dimethyl amino benzaldehyde, pure amyl or isoamyl alcohol and hydrochloric acid. You can use any of this reagent. Other media which are used for the indole production: sulfide indole, moiety agar, moiety indole or nithin agar, indole control and positive control in case of E. coli, because E. coli produce tryptophan and tryptophan test is positive in case of E. coli. And negative control in case of Klebsiella pneumonia, because they have no ability to production of. So indole peptone has the taste of organism incubated at 18 degrees centigrade for 24 hours at 37 degrees centigrade, and add a Kovacs reagent contain alcohol to peptone water alcohol extract with the iodine apports and indole para dimethyl amino benzaldehyde and quinidine compound or red color will be produced. So in this here you can see the two test tube here, one is produce red color, another is no red color change. So due to the presence of indole ring, so development of the red violet color on the adding the reagent, it is indicates the presence of indole and its positive test. But in case of Klebsiella there is a no positive test. The indole precipitate test, another test also done by the indole spot test by the filter paper. Indole spot test for the aerobic bacteria, indole microtechnique for indole test strip. Indole, in case of some positive, in indole test is a positive some E. coli, Proteus virgalis, Escherichia, and these are the organisms which are positive in case of indole test. Cytobacter malaria, L. tartada and Moneglia. In case of negative, Salmonella, Klebsiella, Enterobacter and Proteus mirabilis. Methyl rate, the second most important test, how to identification of the microorganism, the methyl rate. The test the ability of the microorganism to produce and maintain a stable acid end product from which the glucose fermentation and is converted by the buffering capacity of the system, and this is a qualitative test for the acid production by the fermentation process. Methyl red test. In the biochemistry, methyl red is the pH indicator with a range of between 6 and 4.4. In case it is yellow color, in case of 4.4 it is red color. This pH at which the MR or methyl red detection acid considerably lower than the pH indicators. Thus, to produce a color changes in the test organism and must produce a large quantity of acid substrate begin use. Methyl red, or in this case there is two what here the methyl broth or PV or VP broth, here peptone glucose and dipotassium phosphate and the distilled water. An MRPH indicator 0.1 gram in 90% water. Quality in case of positive E. coli, in case of negative Escherichia agaricans. Methyl red test. Or VP. Your broth for test organism incubate 35 degrees centigrade for 48 to 72 of MR reagent, red reagent broth. In case of after the and reagent, then the impression will be appear the positive culture sufficient red to allow the MR reagent to remain distinct red color, pH at 4.4 at the surface of the medium in the test tube number in the right hand test tube. In the case of yellow color, the pH 6 at the surface of the medium, because it depends upon the pH. So methyl red in case of positive E. coli, Neisseria species and Listeria monocytogenes, and negative Enterobacter aerogenes, Enterobacter clonus, Klebsiella gram negative bacteria or non-enteric bacilli. These are the methyl red is negative. Voges-Proskauer test or acetone production principle to determine the ability of a microorganism to produce neutral and product an acetyl methyl carbinol acetone from the glucose fermentation, and it is in case of positive it is a Enterobacter agaricans and negative in case of E. coli. Voges-Proskauer test is the methyl red orange test for the media. For the MRVP test for pH 6.9, polypeptide, glucose and dipotassium phosphate and distilled water. The alpha naphthol 15% is a colony esterification and absolute ethyl alcohol, and 40% potassium hydroxide oxidizing agent and distilled water. So in the pure culture of the test medium the test organism MRVP broth indicates the 24 hour at 30 degrees centigrade. The aliquot 1 ml of the broth to sterile test tube and 0.6 ml of VP followed by the 0.2 ml of VP snake that gently and exposure to the medium and atmospheric oxygen allowed to tube to remain undistilled for 10 to 15 minutes. Interpretation: the positive pinkish red color at the surface of the medium and negative yellow color at the surface of the medium. This is the Voges-Proskauer test. So in case of glucose, KOH with the acetone with the acid atmospheric oxygen diacetyl plus acetyl diacetyl guanidine component alpha naphthol, it is a pink color will be produced. Voges-Proskauer test, alternative test for this, another test for this test the gas liquid chromatography of diacetyl, electron captured and liquid chromatography, gas chromatography, electron ionization and calorimetric method. But in case of rapid test, the reagent implement the VP strip. The strip is used for the Voges-Proskauer test. The precaution: organism which are MR positive is VP negative or vice versa is true for the most of the organism become a enterobacteriaceous. In the organism like hemisphere level and protease malaria given in the MR and VP positive through the VP reaction isolated and excess KOH may marks to weak and VP is positive. Voyagers procure test in case of Klebsiella pneumonia, Enterobacter, Staphylococcus, Haphinia epilepsia, Neisseria Enterobacter, Listeria species, and negative in case of E. coli, Microbius, and Neisseria Enterococci. Test for the test show that the ability of utilization of the specific substrate. Citrate utilization test. Citrate utilization test. This is the basic principle. The test is used to determine the ability of an organism to utilize sodium citrate as its only carbon source and the inorganic ammonia salt. It is only the nitrogen sources. Bacteria that can grow on this medium and terms bromophthalin blue indicator from the green to blue. Bromophthalin blue, here the bromophthalin blue indicator, chemical indicator used for the indicator for green to blue. And citrate utilization test in case of Koshar medium or the Simon citrate medium. In case of Koshar Simon medium, here the component is used or reagent is used for the sodium chloride 5 gram, magnesium sulfate 0.2 gram, ammonium dihydrogen phosphate 1 gram, potassium dihydrogen 1 gram, sodium citrate 5 gram, and distilled water 1 liter. In case of here the Koshar medium 1 liter, agar 20 gram, and bromophthalin blue 0.2% in 40 ml. Citrate utilization test procedure using the sterile technique and include the bacteria in appropriate level Simon citrate tube by the means of post spot inoculation and incubate all the citrate for 24 to 40 hours of 37 degrees centigrade. Quality control, positive control in case of Klebsiella pneumonia, negative control in case of E. coli. So these are the citrate utilization test. In case of positive test, develop the deep blue color within 24 to 40 years indicates the test organism of able to utilize the citrate present in the medium with production of alkaline production. Negative, no change, color remain green because the bromophthalin green is the green color. If it is positive, there is a change to blue color if the citrate is utilized. Difference between the Simon citrate and the Koshar citrate. Simon citrate, it is the slant or solid medium, and Koshar citrate, it is the broth, that means liquid culture. It contain agar, it is not contain no agar, so it is liquid. It contains bromophthalin blue indicators, it contain no indicators. Positive test indicate the growth and change in the color of the medium, but positive test is shown by the presence of turbidity in the medium. So there is a huge difference between the Simon citrate and Koshar citrate for citrate utilization test. So you can see the citrate utilization test by the positivity test. In case of positive, Klebsiella pneumonia, Citrobacter diverse, Enterobacter chloracea, Cercesia marcians, and Proficiens alliances, and Vibrio variants. And negative, Escherichia coli, Salmonella typhi, Salmonella paratyphi, Shigella, Neisseria, and Edwardsia tarda. Thank you very much for listening the lecture and for your patience. Please like me, please subscribe as my channel if you like it, and any comment please write your comment box or in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much for listening the lecture. Thank you.